Hello again, DIY friends. Welcome back to another review video. This review video is going to be on two bamboo bed sheets. I have been looking for bed sheets. I'm sure you have too, because who doesn't want to sleep on luxury? The brands I will be reviewing today is going to be Cozy Earth and Cozy House. I'm going to be sleeping in them. I'm going to be feeling them. I'm going to be showing you the packaging, giving you information, and I'm going to let you know which one I like the best. Let's get into the video. Now, when it comes to packaging, I definitely have to give it to Cozy Earth. Now, when you hear the word premium on any product, you expect to be wowed when you open the box to see it initially. As you see, Cozy House is brown, very standard, what you would see in a normal big box store, where Cozy Earth gives you a tote bag. This is so adorable and really, really cute. So, this exactly is what you are looking for when you hear the word premium. Super duper exciting. Digging a little deeper to actually review the sheets, these premium bamboo sheets from Cozy Earth are so soft. So once I took these out of the plastic, I was like, oh my goodness, like this is going to feel so great to lay on. Other things to mention about this company is that they are certified free of harsh chemicals and dyes. They are temperature regulating. All products are covered under a 10-year warranty. They have thousands and thousands of five-star ratings, and they're antibacterial and antimicrobial. Oh my goodness, when I moved this fabric, it just felt like silk just waving around. I love the feeling of it, and I just can't wait to actually lay on them. The fitted sheet and the actual top sheet were superb. I was noticing a little bit of hanging threads around the edges, so I had to cut those off, but it wasn't a whole lot. But this is awesome. I really do like how it, like, look at it. Look how it's just flowing into the air. It is a bit thin. Now, that's a little worrisome because anytime I had thin sheets, they always didn't last a long period of time. But I'm hoping because these are made from bamboo that thinness is not going to be a problem like normal cotton sheets. But oh my goodness, I just can't stop feeling it. It just feels so good. They do actually imprint the logo of the company on the corner of the fitted sheet. I personally don't like that, but you can't see it once you tuck it underneath your actual bedding. And again, there are some threads, as I mentioned before, that I am seeing around here, but nothing to really have a big hoopah about. So now I'm diving into the Cozy House bamboo sheets. Now, these ones again came into a plastic bag, and when I initially touched these, I was like, what is happening? First of all, I had a piece of thread like come off automatically, and then I just kept finding threads all over the place. I had to eventually cut off a lot of pieces of threads initially, which was very annoying, and it's not even soft out of the packaging. It felt very like fake. I don't know. It didn't compare at all to Cozy Earth's initial opening of the packaging. It just really was blah to me. So, their fitted sheet comes with these elastic bands as well for their deep pockets. I guess some people were not able to keep those on their actual beds. But I just did not like the feeling of these sheets initially. Like this reminded me of something I would get out of a big box store for like a very small amount of money, but let's try them on the bed. So once I washed them, they actually felt softer. I was really surprised. And then I realized that they said the more you use them and wear them, they become soft, but they still did not match Cozy Earth softness. Now, when I put them on my bed, I was a little eerie about the whole elastic band. I've never had sheets that had that on here, but it does fit snug right at the very corner underneath at the side of the bed for our sport size. So I know it's secure and it will not be moving when we are indeed moving around in the bed. It does fit nice. These sheets are wrinkle free, which is a bonus. I do not like wrinkled sheets, and I don't like when it looks wrinkled in the bed. But I paired this brown set with some red pillowcases, and they were cool. When we laid on them, they did great with temperature regulations. It wasn't anything super at all. Like these were just like blah to me, but they did not wrinkle. Now coming to Cozy Earth, these sheets felt awesome. Like they great with temperature regulations. I just felt like I was wrapped around some silky cocoonness. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. The one thing I don't like though is the wrinkles. Like, after laying on it a day, it's super wrinkled everywhere. And I do not like to see wrinkles because I feel like I want to iron my sheets. But they did feel awesome. The pillowcases felt awesome. The sheets felt awesome. If I could pair the thickness of the cozy house with the softness of cozy earth, it would be a win-win, without the actual wrinkles as well, because that really turns me off when I see all these wrinkles in my bed. But they were good overall. Now, which one do I like overall? I'm going to have to give it to Cozy Earth. Although my sheets are really, really wrinkled and they are very, very thin, I do love the way that these sheets feel on our bodies when we are indeed sleeping. All the other benefits about this company being one of Oprah's favorite things: no chemicals, they have deep pockets, and they just give us a great night's sleep. Cozy House did not do so much as many of the things I talked about with Cozy Earth. They were just meh, blah to me. But Cozy Earth is the winner. I do like Cozy Earth.